Is the screen visible?
Yes, yes.
Yes. So the operation is finally complete. As I was telling, you can see all these blue small things. These are all the noise shells that have come from the Boolean subtraction. So in case if you have ideally fixed the files in the very initial step, this would not have happened. So let's just subtract all these files, or sorry, delete all these files by marking them, and we can just delete. So all these excess files are not there now. So yeah, this is it. This is basically your slot creation. And of course, if you want to write the patient name, you can mark the patient name here from, finish quick label option, right? And in case you want to write the patient name here, you can do that.
Can we customize it, like the freeform tool will help us customize this
Yes,
slot
yes,
area also,
yes, yes,
because the
yes.
design is not exactly like this, but I get the idea of how
Yeah,
we
so
can just tweet
exactly.
it the extent.
Yeah, so so basically what I'm trying to give here is going to give you an idea of how you can use the tools and what are the tools available. How you want to customize the design from your end
Yes, yes.
will be completely on you. Like you can, like, I think as in when you explore the different tools, I think you will get a better idea of what else you can add to it also, maybe, like, over a period of time. So
Yes.
yes, quick label. You can go to finish quick label and you can write in whatever the patient name is and just click on top of it. You can write, it just gets inscribed. So right now the height is quite big. I'm just going to make it 2. Huh. And right. So you can have the patient name, patient code, whatever you want on this. Right. And the next option I would want to highlight is smooth. Right. These edges that we have done are still sharp. Right. We need to blunt them. So because otherwise it might cause irritation, or if it's too sharp might even cut the patient. So for that we have to go to finish, and there's an option called a smooth edge. You can click onto that edge, right? So any edge you can select and you can just smoothen that out. So if you click, since the thickness is only 1, I'll have to reduce it to say 0.5, and you can click apply. So we'll have a nice rounded edge. That you can see here. You can do it for all the edges, and then you can fix the file and the file is ready to be printed. I hope this is understood, right?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
It's
So
just a like an extension of the exercise done before. So
yes, yes, right. So similarly, this you can do your space maintainer. What you can do is you can rather take that up as an exercise, and what you can do is in between any two tooths, you just create two surfaces, and either using the circular sweep function or cylindrical functions, just create two rods between those. Give both the components this, union the components, and you will have your space maintainer ready. I hope you're following the steps, right? Or do you want me to just show a few steps here and there?
it's okay. But I realize more important is how we practice.
Yes, yes, yes. It's
Just
clearly. Because see, right now, like I understand, like with freeform patch, the reason for showing you two, three different types of surface creation methods was also that because with freeform patch and polyline patch, to get a proper smooth surface will take time. Because understanding the mouse movement and the curvature movement takes time, right? So you'll not be able to create very smooth surface in the initial phases. For that time, you can use curves, wherein you can create nice smooth curves by marking points and going ahead. So let's assume we want to create a maintainer between these two. Always first fill in your entity, otherwise it will just not create any surface. And I'm going to create a surface.
same method would be applied for creating a crown, like a full coverage crown over a tooth also.
Yeah, so what you can do is if you want to
Isn't it?
create, sorry, I missed some.
Full coverage crown.
Yeah, so if you want to make a full coverage crown, what you can do is, if you suppose you want to make a full coverage for
Just like tap on the head.
yeah, so if you want to just customize it, maybe you want to customize the left molar as per the right molar, what you can do is you can extract the right molar crown
Yes.
and mirror it onto the left region, right? And then you can have your customized crown ready for that patient.
No, but that has to be hollow from inside, so that is possible.
Yeah, that's
Like,
possible. So
yeah.
what you can do is you can just trace the top surface of the crown, right? You can just trace your tooth in the mimics, right? Come to thematic, trace only the surface, superior surface, that or the region of surface you would want to extract that
The
surface from the
external.
model. Yeah, exactly. So right now, as I've created,
Okay.
so I've created just a small surface. I'm just going to extract only the tip of this region, right? Tip of this incisor.
Okay.
So if I do
Your voice is not. Yeah.
just 1 second. Is this visible now?
It's okay.
Audible now? Yeah. So suppose I just want to
Yeah.
create a surface that's just around this edge. So what you can do is you can create, you can decide the depth you want. You can either go full or you can just click wherever it's essential, right? So you can demarcate your region of requirement. Once you've demarcated your region of requirement, and a surface is created, you can just extract the region of requirement and then give it an offset. Right? Whenever we give an offset, you can do a hollow also, and as I've shown, and you have to just subtract the component you do not want. So when I give it a thickness, if I subtract the tooth from it, the interior region will automatically become hollow, right? And your crown will be created.
Okay.
So just like this, I'll go back to the view. Can you see this? The other project that I have switched. Can you? Yeah, right. So it's similar to this.
Yes.
Initially, my slot
Okay.
was this entire cylinder, right? Now that I've subtracted this bone from the cylinder, only the top surface is remaining of what I require. The remaining entire thing has been deleted. Getting it? So it's a similar concept for your
Okay.
tooth cap also. So you can just create the surface, give it
Yes.
thickness, give it the shape, and then just extract the lower part or the tooth or the hollow part that you would want in the cap, and then you'll have your final entity that is ready without the excess part. So yeah, coming back here. So as I was saying, you have two different surfaces created, right? I'm just going to filter surface, separate, copy to part, create new. I'm going to hide this component. Right, so now what you can do is, now you can give thickness. Of course, first we will shape this, right? But I'm just going to go through the steps because it's exactly identical. I'm now going to give thickness. The next step would be to give thicknesses to the surfaces. Once thicknesses have been given to the surfaces, you have to create a connecting point. So now there are two ways of creating connecting points. One is the sweep cylinder or cylindrical sweep or cylinders. Then you Boolean union the components, and then you subtract your or you say you give your bone clearance, right? And it's ready. So just 2-3 more steps and it should be done. So you can try this at your end, at least the space maintainer, right? And let me know if you're facing any difficulty in creating that, and we can further discuss that then later on.
Yeah.
Sure. Any other doubts?
Yes. No, nothing. I think
Nothing?
it's only the doubts will come only when I practice.
Sure. Okay. So then you can definitely practice these at your end. I will send the recordings so you have a reference video while you do that. And we can discuss on Monday then.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sure. Bye.
Monday.
Yes.
I
4
don't
o'clock.
know.
Hello.
Okay, it's 4 o'clock.
It's 4 o'clock.
Hello?
Yeah. Yeah. From Monday, ma'am has shifted
Okay.
the time to afternoon, 4 o'clock slots, so that I think most of you will be
After.
available.
Okay.
Yeah, at that time.
Would be good. Right.
Yes. Okay. Bye. Thank you.
Okay. Bye bye. Bye.